Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we have a question for us to peruse. Hallelujah. Okay, now we have 2 times 10 raised to the power of 4 minus 33 times 10 raised to the power of 2. All these are in standard form. So we have to subtract 2 numbers that are in standard form. What do? We concentrate on the number with the lower power, the lower exponential, the lower exponent, the lower index. We concentrate on that power to make it to be equal to this power. So on that note, what do? We know that here is 2. So the decimal that is here, if we move it here 1 and move it here 2, it will mean that 2 will be added to this power here, which will make it 4. So on that note, 33 times 10 raised to the power of 2 becomes 0.33 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Now that the both powers are equal, we can now easily carry out subtraction. Okay, so it becomes 2 times 10 raised to the power of 4 minus 0.33 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So at this point, what do? These both bases are the same, so we are going to take one of the bases and we subtract their the numbers. We subtract it. So on that note, we will now have it as 2 minus 0.33 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 4. Now 2 minus 0.33 will give us 1.64 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So this is our final answer when we subtract these 2 numbers that are in standard form. Thanks for watching and God bless you.